Here we have to find the value of x from the given equation. Here it is given 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 150. This we can write as 5x plus this portion using exponential law of a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So using this law of exponent we can expand it as 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power 1. So this is equal to 150. Here we can take 5x common. So 1 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 150. So this portion we can write as 5 plus 1 divided by 5 150, or 5x times of 6 by 5 equal to 150. Therefore 5x is equal to 150 into 5 divided by 6. Now 3 to the 6, 3 into 50, 150. So this is equal to 5 times of 50, that means 250 divided by 2, that is equal to 125. Now therefore 5x equal to 125. This we can write as, or 5 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power 3. 125 is 5 to the power 3. Now both sides base is same, therefore x equal to 3. So that will be the answer. If you find this useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.